world of consciousness has long been a topic of fascination for humanity. We've all experienced it, that feeling of being aware of our surroundings, processing information, and making decisions. But have you ever stopped to think about how that awareness even works? Like, here's something that blew my mind when I first learned it. 95% of our brain activity happens completely beneath our conscious awareness. That's right. Most of what makes you you is happening behind the scenes, like a cosmic software running in the background. What's even more fascinating is how modern quantum physics is finally catching up to what ancient mystics have been saying for millennia. And trust me, what I'm about to share with you isn't some woo-woo speculation. This is cutting-edge science, backed by researchers like Dr. Stuart and Roger Penrose. Let me share something incredible. In Dr. Sam Parnia's groundbreaking research, a patient clinically dead for several minutes was able to accurately describe events happening in the operating room from a vantage point near the ceiling. Their brain showed zero activity on the monitors, yet consciousness persisted. How is this possible? It completely contradicts everything we thought we knew about consciousness being produced by the brain. What if our understanding of reality and consciousness has been fundamentally wrong? This leads us to the science behind consciousness. The world of quantum mechanics has completely transformed our understanding of consciousness. Remember in school when they taught us that reality is just physical stuff bouncing around? Well, they were wrong, and I can prove it. The orchestrated objective reduction theory, or ORCH-OR, proposed by Penrose and Hameroff, suggests that consciousness arises from quantum processes in the brain's cellular structure. Recent breakthroughs in quantum biology have shown that quantum effects aren't just limited to laboratory conditions, they're happening inside our heads right now. Let's talk about the quantum consciousness evidence. Let's get a bit technical, but I promise to keep it interesting. Inside your brain cells are tiny structures called microtubules. These aren't just cellular scaffolding, they're quantum computers. Scientists have discovered that these microtubules maintain quantum coherence, something previously thought impossible in warm, wet biological systems. The evidence for non-local consciousness, consciousness that exists beyond the physical brain, is mounting. Multiple studies have shown that consciousness can't be pinned down to any specific location in the brain. It's more like a field that permeates everything. So what does breaking traditional paradigms have to do in this discussion? The old materialist view that consciousness is just a byproduct of brain chemistry is crumbling. We're discovering that quantum entanglement plays a crucial role in how our brains function. In fact, Harvard neuroscience studies on meditation have shown that conscious practices can physically restructure our brains. Naturally, we move to the mind-reality connection. Here's where it gets really interesting. What if consciousness isn't produced by the brain, but is actually fundamental to reality itself? This isn't just philosophy, it's supported by quantum physics. The famous double-slit experiment shows that particles behave differently when observed. Think about that. The mere act of conscious observation changes physical reality. This isn't just theory, it's reproducible science. What about the role of meditation? Now, I know what you're thinking. This is fascinating, but how does it help me? Well, this is where the rubber meets the road. I've spent years studying and practicing scientifically validated meditation techniques that can help you tap into this expanded understanding of consciousness. Let me share my personal morning consciousness routine. It starts with a simple 5-minute quantum meditation technique that I'll teach you right now. First, sit comfortably and focus on your breath. As you breathe, imagine your consciousness extending beyond your physical body. This isn't just visualization. Remember, you're working with quantum fields that exist everywhere. This leads us to reflect on expanding your consciousness. As you continue to meditate, imagine that you're not just observing your thoughts and emotions, but actually influencing them. You're not just a passive observer, you're an active participant in the creation of your reality. This is the key to unlocking your full potential. By tapping into the power of quantum consciousness, you can access new levels of awareness, creativity, and insight. So what is the future of consciousness? We're on the cusp of a revolution in our understanding of consciousness. With the help of quantum physics and cutting-edge research, we're finally beginning to unlock the secrets of the human mind. Imagine a world where consciousness is no longer seen as a byproduct of brain activity, but as a fundamental aspect of reality itself. a world where we can tap into the power of quantum fields to create a better future for ourselves and for humanity. This is the future of consciousness, and it's happening right now. And now it's your turn. What do you think about consciousness? Have you had experiences that can't be explained by traditional science? Share your stories in the comments below. I read and respond to as many as I can. Remember, this isn't just about understanding consciousness. It's about evolving humanity's potential. And it starts with you, right here, right now. So let's keep exploring the mysteries of consciousness together. Let's push the boundaries of what we thought was possible and unlock the secrets of the human mind. This is Mark from Tiny Little Universe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.